guys, welcome back to the Anthony Show. I'm so excited to do another mask singer video. This is gonna be the Asian doll, which I'm calling it because I don't know the name of it. I just reacted to the samurai itself. You know guys, I have an idea. The mask singer. You know what they do? They wear masks and they sing. That's exactly what they do. So, I have a Spider-Man costume that has a mask, guys. So every time I react to a mask singer video, I will have this mask on. So my next mask singer video, I will put that on. Alright guys, if you're new here, where in the world have you been? I reacted to Final Group A, yeah, B, A, C, A, D. This is D right now. So, but guys, which is your favorite group so far? Oh, that's a tough one, guys. I just made that up right now, so it's gonna take me a while for me to think about that. But guys, let's get straight into this video. I'm so excited. Let's get straight into the mask singer. I don't know what this says. What does this say? What? Alright guys, let's do it. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, there's captions on this one. Yes, 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 yes. Alright. Oh, it's Thai captions. I'm a noob. Oh, violins and piano man. Oh, we saw that? Wow, that. Oh, he likes her. He likes her.
ตอนทำนาข้าชื่อดาวเรืองพอเข้าในเมืองชื่อข้าเฟืองเหลืองเหลือง
Wow.
เป็นดาราหน้าปกหนังสืออ้างเอ่ยข้าเปลี่ยนชื่อ
Look at her costume. I just want to squeeze those ears.
แววดาวเรืองชักเหลืองเรืองรองแมวจ้องแมวมอง
Oh shoot. They have all these backup dancers. Oh. Her voice is very like high and soft. High soft voice. The dancers are funny. Like they're always smiling when they're doing their dance. That's like Miss Samurai. If anything, hold on. Miss Samurai. Dang, this is a close one, guys. This is a close one. I'll tell you what I think at the end. More backup dancers. Oh. I like how this one has dancers, the other one didn't. I feel like she's more prepared. Oh. สิ้นสดหมดสาวลายเป็นข่าวกลับมา
Oh. หน้าดาวเรืองโดนให้หนูแซวมาเอ่ยเรียกอีมาดาวโรย
Wow. Pretty good, pretty good. Man, this is a close one. So to me, this is a unique like voice to me because this is very different from anything you hear from like American songs. This is really like an Asian type song. You know, like I'm Asian myself, you know, you guys know that. But guys, what I'm trying to say here is that that's a unique Thai voice right there. Like that's like really like Asian songs right there, that type of voice. So it's gonna be a tough one. The Samurai, I like the Samurai. I like them both. But guys, in my next video, I will tell you what I think who is gonna win before I start that video. So hop on to the other one, which will be where they both collab together, or check out the one I did before this one. It's gonna be psych, it's gonna be awesome, and you're not gonna want to miss it. So hit that subscribe button, comment what you think, like the video, and share. Let me see if there's any English comments. No. All Thai comments. Let's see who's gonna win. Alright, I'm heading over right now, guys, so I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace out, guys, stay awesome, and I'll see you on my next video. Wow.
Boy, I start on the bottom, made my way to the top.
What?
Boy, I'm gon' keep winning.
I am.
No, I cannot stop.
I can't.
Remember, I had a little.
I did.
Turned that shit to a lot.
I did.
Always been 100.
I was.
Put that on my block.
Oh yeah.
Used to want that 4-door.
Huh?
Now I want that drop.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
now I do what I want.
What?
Now I